Welcome to Hanon Investments. Today I am going to tell you about an industry I found out about within the past 1 year. For the right person, this might be a really great opportunity. If you are a disciplined trader that can follow rules and stick to them, then retail prop firm is a great option for you. A retail prop firm, or retail proprietary trading firm, is a company that provides trading capital and resources to individual traders in exchange for a share of the profits generated from their trades. Unlike traditional prop trading firms that hire professional traders to trade stocks, forex, and commodities with the firm's capital, retail prop firms allow any individual trader to trade with the firm's money, often with lower capital requirements and more flexible trading rules. Retail prop firms typically use a profit-sharing model to incentivize traders to make profitable trades and manage risk effectively. Each firm has its own rules and requirements you must know and follow. Basically, to trade a firm's capital, you must first pass a challenge. The challenge usually entails earning a certain amount of profit on a demo account, given to you by the prop firm. And to take the challenge you must pay a registration fee. Most prop firms usually refund your registration fee once you pass the challenge. We will compare 3 different prop firms. These prop firms are some of the best in the industry: My Funded Forex, The Funded Trader, and Funded Engineer. Since each prop firm uses different names, rules, and requirements for each challenge, I tried to compare challenges that are the most similar. Each prop firm has a 1-phase and a 2-phase challenge. A 1-phase challenge has one profit target. Once the profit target is achieved, you are given a funded account. On the funded account, all profits earned will be split between the individual and the firm. On a 2-phase challenge, there is a phase 1 profit target, and then a phase 2 profit target. Once both profit targets have been achieved, the challenge is complete. We will be comparing a 2-phase challenge from each prop firm. My Funded Forex 2 Steps Normal Challenge, the Funded Trader's Rapid Challenge, as well as the Funded Engineer's Standard Challenge. The phase 1 profit target for all 3 challenges are the same at 8%. Meaning you have to earn 8% to pass to the next stage. Max daily loss and max equity loss are hard rules you can't break. If you break these 2 rules, you fail the challenge. The max daily loss is 5% for all 3 challenges. You are not allowed to lose more than 5% in a day. It resets daily at midnight server hours. My Funded Forex and the Funded Trader have max equity loss of 8%. The Funded Engineer has max equity loss of 10%. You are disqualified if your equity or balance drops below 8 or 10% from your initial balance. The minimum trading days is the least amount of days we must trade, even if we have reached our profit target. My Funded Forex requires at least 1 trading day, while the Funded Trader and Funded Engineer have no minimum trading day requirements. Trading period describes the maximum amount of time given to complete the challenge. My Funded Forex and Funded Engineer allow you to take as much time as you want to reach your profit target. I think this is one of the most important features started by My Funded Forex. It takes away the pressure to constantly trade and reach your profit target before the deadline. The Funded Trader gives you 35 calendar days to reach your profit target from your first trade. Honestly, most professional traders don't worry about having 35 calendar days to complete the first phase. But having unlimited time is a plus for most people. After completing phase 1, you will receive phase 2 credentials. In phase 2, the profit target has been reduced to 5% in all 3 challenges. The max daily loss, max equity loss, and minimum trading days are the same as phase 1. My Funded Forex and Funded Engineer give you all the time you need to complete phase 2. The Funded Trader's trading period is increased to 60 calendar days. If you have achieved the phase 2 profit target without breaking any rules, the challenge is complete. You should receive the funded account credentials. This is the part you get paid. Any profit generated is split between the individual and the firm. The max daily loss and max equity loss remain the same. The profit split is 80-20 with all 3 firms. The individual trader receives 80% of the profit and the firm receives 20%. Each firm has its own scaling plan, which increases the profit split as well as trading balance. I will have each firm's scaling plan in detail on a separate video. Profits can be withdrawn after 14 calendar days since your first trade. After the first withdrawal, you get paid bi-weekly. My Funded Forex and the Funded Trader allow you to choose between a regular or a swing account. Funded Engineer's account can be used as a regular or a swing account. A swing account gives you the option to hold your open trades overnight or over the weekend. All three firms have high leverage options. News trading is allowed on My Funded Forex and Funded Engineer with no restrictions. The Funded Trader only allows news trading on swing accounts. News trading basically describes the trading environment during highly volatile sessions, such as FOMC meetings. It's probably a good idea to avoid trading during these sessions. The registration fee is refundable on all three prop firms. These registration fees are for the $100,000 challenge account. The registration fee is $500 on My Funded Forex. It's $499 on the Funded Trader, and $575 on the Funded Engineer. All three prop firms run promotions from time to time. You can find promo codes in the description below when you click on the link. If you find this video helpful, click on the link, as it pays for our work in producing more videos like this. If used responsibly, prop firms give you the opportunity to make your dreams come true. Trade small and take your time when doing these challenges. Never forget, profit comes with risk, so always balance those two things. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.